Hi guys, I'm here in New York and I've just completed the first day of an acting class, which is something I thoroughly recommend that you do. We're really revved up after an awesome day. It is really vibrant, it's really confronting. It's something that is very left of center. You will find it really a wonderful tool and a fantastic asset to be able to use in everyday life, from personal to business. It is A grade. You have to come and do it. It's fantastic. Coming into the course initially, we were all a little bit nervous. I think if you've never done any acting or public speaking, it is something that you're probably not going to be used to doing, but you certainly learn very quickly and share a lot of experiences with your colleagues and really people that become friends very quickly with some of the workshops that we did in the class. So it's awesome.